What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, I'm gonna do a quick and easy Dollar Tree wreath DIY. All you need for this DIY is gonna be the garland from Dollar Tree, that little wrap garland, and one of those miniature wreath forms or whatever they're called from Dollar Tree as well. Let's get started, guys. Okay, first things first. I've already cut mine, but you could take that garland, and I think it'd be easier for you to cut it and, well, try to do two equal parts. This is close enough. Two equal parts. Can y'all see it? Can you see it? Then this way you can use one part for the inside of the wreath and then the outside. So give it more fullness. So cut your garland in two equal parts is your first step. Meow, meow, meow. Okay, once you have your garland cut into two equal parts, then you're gonna take your little wreath, can you see it? Yeah, your wreath form, wherever you wanna have your starting place. I'm gonna pick this place. And then you're gonna take it, y'all see, yeah. And then just, since this already have wire in it, and just wrap it in there so it can be attached. And it don't wanna act right. Okay. Okay, there we go, that's good enough. And so once you have it attached the way you want to, and then, see how they have that side, then you have right here. Go ahead and insert it so you can be more full right here. And you could always adjust it later. So tuck it in, and then I'm jacking up stuff, guys. Okay, I just had to make sure that was gonna be right. You see it already formed without me even trying, because it's already curved. And so you just take that in, tighten it up, and then you're gonna attach it at the bottom. If it ain't right, there you go. Yeah. And just hold it. Y'all know it don't ever want to act right on camera. And you just twist it like how you did with the starting. And so then that'll be your first roll. And just adjust it accordingly. Plot out. Okay, guys, so then you go take your second and do the exact same thing. Insert it in. I try to keep all the ones I'm folding pretty much in the same area, but you don't have to. As long as you attach it, fold it. You see I'm bending it, and then you just take it again and make it go in circle. And just make sure it's covered as best way you can so you don't see the metal part. And so I'm gonna tuck it in again, and I'm gonna be back with my finished wreath. And there you have it, guys, your finished wreath. Just like I say, make sure just maneuver it, adjust it, and so you can see less of the wiring behind it or whatever. But I think I did overall a pretty good job. And now you can accessorize it any way you want to. I'm gonna add a bow to mine. So I'll be right back. How cute. And that is my finished wreath. I just added a quick little bow, because I wanted it real simple, guys. More like a farmhouse feel to it. Nothing too over the top, but y'all could have at it. You already know ideas are endless. But I just wanted something cute, and it goes with my theme, guys. Yay! Too cute. Okay, guys, I just wanted to show y'all the rest of my Christmas decoration. This year I went with like a vintage Christmas kind of appeal. You know what word I'm trying to say. A feel is what I was trying to say. So I used like a lot of buffalo plaid and just kind of still, but like an old-fashioned Christmas tree look, like that old school star, you know, but a little in a little up-to-date style. And of course, the majority of everything you see came from either Dollar Tree or 99-cent only store. I made all the ribbons, and the tree skirts actually came from 99-cent only. These are, of course, 2 tree skirts. But I really like the way my tree came out this year, guys. And I got this bird from the thrift store. 99-cent store. I got, what's the door? And yeah, of course, you already know that red truck, Dollar Tree. But yeah, this is the awesome Christmas tree. I already saw that ornament I made. And Santa Claus bat. I think that is my favorite this year. And of course, I like this sled from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree really came through as well as 99-cent only store. And these are some Christmas pillow that, but these are just those 99-cent only at the 99-cent only store. But these are supposed to be for your chair legs. It didn't work out for my chair, so I just laid it across this pillow. As y'all see, I did not attach it, so it could just give the, you know, the elf looking for stuff effect, and it worked out real nice. And here go my side-eye Santa. If y'all been following me, y'all saw him last year, and I got him at the thrift store. I think he was like $2. And this sign that I got from the 99-cent store, but it ain't no 99 cents, y'all. It is, I think it's $4.99. I got it for a birthday gift from my mom, I think. But anyway, I just thought that was cute, like this combination. Got side-eye Santa carrying a Christmas tree, what I added little lights to. Got that from the thrift store as well. Everything you see, I either got from the thrift store or 99-cent and Dollar Tree. I'm just going to let y'all know that now. I try not to pay full price for anything, but I thought putting this together was so freaking cute, guys. Side-eye be on that side-eye, don't he, though? But I love him. And then a cute little Christmas tree and a sled. And then just another little pillow right here, guys. Y'all saw me do this DIY as well, which is the what the heck you call it? The what is it? Corkboard. And then I just made the sign upon it. Wrote the sign. Spray painted it. I'm gonna try, maybe I'll try to add the links to all my DIYs that y'all are seeing, but this was a DIY. And then here is the ornament from 99 cents. Not. This is Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree ornament, but I just made him go across. And then I added a little tutu because his butt wasn't completed. So I'm like, So, well, I put the little tutu in it to give it more dimension. I thought it was so cute. And then I added like a little ornament on his foot because, of course, he's mischievous and was trying to get away. So, yes, darling. This light ain't doing it justice. There we go. I put my pillows out every year too, and I got these pillows from the 99-cent only store. And of course, they're present sacks, but I just put a pillow in them to make them pillow clay case covers. And I use these pretty much every year. Yeah, I reuse stuff. I may try to tweak it a little bit, but I ain't finna go out every year and buy no dang new decorations, okay? And this little miniature tree skirt I got at the 99-cent only store to just add to these pieces. And I've been having this pink one. I think I got him from Ross. He the only one from Ross. But I just thought that was cute. And last but certainly not least, I got this. I made this little arrangement. Of course, that's a Dollar Tree Christmas tree. I stuck it into this red metal bucket thing, which I got from the thrift store. And then this bow I made with 99-cent only, 99 Dollar Tree ribbon. And then you already know this elf came from Dollar Tree. He's so freaking cute. And he holding the Starbucks ornament that I also made using what? A Dollar Tree, them little red cups. And I just thought the combination was so cute. I said, you drinking my Starbucks? You good though. You good. You better be glad I love you. Yes. Can I say the whole thing? Yeah, there you go. So cute. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up, guys. I wish you, each and every one of you guys, a very, very Merry Christmas. See you guys next Sunday.